back with another V to the I to the D-E. Oh, that's right. I am back with another video. So today, you guys, we are going to be opening my winter 2021 Fabfitfun box. You guys, I am so excited about this box because this is the biggest box that I have gotten from Fabfitfun all year. The rest of the boxes have been about half of the size of this box. And I did customize the items in this box, but I don't remember what it is that I selected. So this is going to be quite a surprise to me today because, y'all, I've been so busy that I've forgotten what I selected. It's been a couple of weeks ago when I was actually able to customize. But for those of you who are not familiar with Fabfitfun, Fabfitfun is a seasonal subscription box, okay? It includes some makeup and skincare items, and it also includes some household items. If you subscribe to the annual membership, which is what I have, it's $179 per year, and you get to pick 5 things that come in your box. Being that it's seasonal, the box does come in winter, spring, summer, and fall. If you don't want to commit to a whole year, you can get the box for $49.99 each season if that's the route that you want to go. But it is a little bit cheaper to have the annual membership. I like it because I'm going to be gifting a lot of the items in the box for the Christmas holidays. So yeah, I'm going to keep the things that I really like. I know some of the things in the box are probably things that I really wanted for myself. And a couple of items I can remember now, I was selecting them for other individuals that I knew would like them for holiday gifts. So y'all, we're just going to go ahead and get right into it. If you haven't had a chance to go ahead and subscribe to my channel, go and take a quick minute right now and do that and hit the notification bell so that whenever I post a video, you'll be the first to know, all right? So let's just go on, get on in here, y'all. I got my little knife. Y'all know I've been trying not to use knives. I've been trying to use scissors, but I couldn't find my scissors, so the knife was the first thing I grabbed, y'all. I'm trying not to be reckless. I'm gonna try to be very, very careful. But anyway, this is the top of the box, y'all. It's packaged really, really nicely. And right here on the top of the box, y'all, I can see the magazine. Here's the Fabfitfun magazine. Y'all, I remember when this magazine was so much better quality, okay? But I noticed with my fall Fabfitfun box, when I actually looked through the magazine, they were no longer putting all of the products in there with the prices. So yeah, I was like, all right, they kind of changed the format of the magazine just a little bit. I really don't read the magazine like that, so that's okay. I get it. They got to cut costs wherever they can so that they don't have to go up on the price of the box. So the first thing that I have here is this unhide blanket, y'all. This is, let's see. This is the small blanket in silver. Last year, I got this same blanket, but I got it in tan. And I believe it was last winter that I got it, and I got it in tan. Maybe it wasn't last winter. It could have been a winter before. But I'll go back and I'll check, and I'll put a link to the video so you can go back and watch it. But this is a repeat customized item, okay? So I decided to get it this year because the blanket is really great quality, and I want to gift it to someone. So I'm not going to open it. I'm going to leave it packaged so that it'll stay in great shape and it won't be so hard to get inside of a box. Because once I actually open this blanket, y'all, it'll never be this neat and this size again. So we're going to just let that one go. But the next thing that we have inside of the box, oh, you guys, this is some Vodham India. This is a recovery sampler. Can you guys see that? This is teas, y'all. And it's 25 sachets in here. I can see that from here. It has India's original chai tea. It has the sweet cinnamon chai tea, turmeric ginger herbal tea, vanilla spice chai tea, and turmeric spice herbal tea. You guys, I am really going to enjoy this because I am a big tea and coffee drinker. So yeah, this is a great item. I did select this one for myself, so I'm going to be keeping it. So any of my family and friends that are watching, don't ask for this for Christmas because this is for myself. You can always come over and have a cup of tea with me if you just really want to indulge in it. The next thing that I have here is the Mani Moments. This is a Mani in a Box duo with a nail file. You guys, I didn't select this item. This must have been one of the items that they selected for me. So for those of you who are new, we generally get about 7 to 8 items inside of the box. You can choose 5 if you're on the annual membership, and then they'll choose the rest for you. But this has, let's see, a couple of items. It really is just a kit. So there's like some sugar scrub, and it seems to be a couple of packages of this soup. Here. Well, actually, there's not. Maybe it's coming in sets. I think it's coming in sets. So yeah, there's the green tea detox. One is the sugar scrub One is the cream mask, one is the massage butter, and that's in the green tea. Then there is the vitamin recharge set here. And it also includes a sugar scrub, a cream mask, and a massage butter, y'all. So those are just some samples to try. And I thought it said it was a file. Yeah, there is a fingernail file here. Yeah, just a regular file. Nothing particularly special about that. But I will use it because it is wintertime. My hands are so dry, you guys, as a result of it being winter out and me washing dishes and keeping my hands, you know, saturated a lot. I just don't have any moisture. So I've been looking for ways to try to keep them moisturized, and this will probably help. So we're gonna give that a try at some point. Let's see. So moving on here in the box, we have, a hot chocolate bomb maker. So yeah, it looks like these are the molds. I'm hoping as I go through here that there's more to it than this, because you guys, what am I gonna do with a hot chocolate bomb maker? I hope they send some hot chocolate, they send some chocolate, you know, to make some hot chocolate with. But you guys, I'm just running across some little small things in the box. This is $15 off of your first Fabfitfun box. So I'll put the code down below so that you guys can take advantage of that if you are interested. Also, there are some cute little stickers right here, you guys. I'm just gonna like put these in a stocking stuffer and just give them to my daughter, y'all. She might watch this video, she might not, but she won't get them till Christmas because they are a stocking stuffer. Also here, there is this short stories LED indoor planter. You guys, let's go ahead and open this because I did order this for myself. I customized this item particularly for myself. Again, the magazine doesn't show us what the items used to be, but there are a lot of videos right here on YouTube where you can go and see what my options were as far as this box goes. Well, this particular item goes. I probably could have selected like 4 or 5 other items, but I wanted this particular item because I wanted to start growing some herbs right in the kitchen. And it's supposed to be good for that. I mean, that's what they advertised it for. So I'm going to be putting this to work, y'all, and see if I can grow maybe some basil right there on the counter. We'll just see how that works. I hope that it doesn't, you know, malfunction too quickly and that we get a good batch, at least one good batch. Now, okay, you guys. This is something that I was most excited about. I am going to be keeping these for myself as well. These are hair bonnets, okay? The satin bonnets, all right? It is 2 satin bonnets up in here. Y'all see that? 2 satin bonnets. They're really pretty, and I think that you can flip them inside out. I think so, yeah. You can flip them inside out. So if you want to just wear a pink on that side and you just want to wear the colors on that side, you can. And this one is, of course, is the same way with the turquoise. I am going to be keeping both of these. Well, I'll say one or both, because if I find that the first one doesn't do a good job, I'm just going to go ahead and give the other one away, okay? Because I am really particular about my hair scarves, keeping my hair moisturized. So if this is not what's going to do it, then I'm just going to try one and maybe get the other one away. Looks like the last thing I have here is a Mason Tops cocktails. This is, okay. It's a cocktail shaker, you guys. You see that? This is a cocktail shaker. Let's go ahead and take this one out. Now, this one I might actually end up gifting as well. I don't have a cocktail shaker, but I don't drink a whole lot. And the things that I do drink, they already come ready. You know, it's not me making a cocktail. So I may end up gifting this to some of my friends who actually, you know, partake in cocktails and do that type of stuff at home. But it's really nice. You guys see that? Pretty. I don't think it gets any prettier than that, but it looks like you can make about 2 cups right here inside of this particular jar. Trying to see if I can, yeah. So this is what we got going on. So just put it in there, shake it, and I don't know. I'm looking at it and I'm like, I wonder would this be good for like some of my loose leaf teas. We don't necessarily have to use it for cocktails, do we? Because yeah, there is a stirrer in here for cocktails. I see people, now this is probably the nicest thing in the whole box. It's just a little stir. I'm not gonna, well, it's already pretty much coming out. So I was trying not to put my hands on it because, you know, if it's not good steel, then my hands will stain it. And I'm like, I don't really want to permanently stain it just yet, especially if I decide to give it away as a gift. But, oh well, you know, Christmas isn't but a couple weeks away. Hopefully it won't stain that soon. But yeah, you guys, that is what was in my box. I got this shaker. I did select these. Thinking back, I did select it, but I thought that they were going to be giving us something with it. I thought they were going to send us the chocolate. That's really what I thought. And I thought it would be a whole kit and it would be fun to make. But there's nothing else in my box, you guys. So it wasn't a kit. So I really don't know what I'm going to do with this. Okay. I'm just going to have to think about this one. I hate to gift it because the next person is going to look at it just like I did and say, what the heck do I do with that? There was one other item in the box that I didn't see. It was this Briogeo Scalp Revival Charcoal plus Tea Tree Scalp Treatment. It's supposed to help remove buildup and prevent dryness and flakiness, you guys. I am going to be keeping this one for myself. But anyway, you guys, if you like this video, go ahead and click the subscribe button down below and also give it a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to leave a comment. I'd love to hear if you've gotten any of these items in your box and what you think about them. I know for those who are actually subscribed to the boxes are starting to come out now. So I'm like, let me know what you guys got. Let me know what you liked and what you didn't like and stuff like that. Because I don't want to keep anything that I could give away, and I don't want to give away anything that I should be keeping. So yeah, your comments are very important to me. But anyway, go ahead and take care of that, you guys, and I will see you all next time.